Yeah, everyone is visible. The screen is sharing. Yeah, okay. Yeah, in previous session, I have told you forms, right? Have you all worked on it? I told you to create a student registration form. So, how many of you created a student registration form with the fields I have told? Will you please raise your hand? Yeah, what about the remaining people? Yeah, Nandini, have you? Yeah, you have done. Yeah, okay. So, Ananya,
Yes, ma'am.
have you created the student registration form?
Eh, Ma'am?
Have you created the student registration form?
Yes, ma'am. I created, ma'am.
Okay, then raise your hand.
Ma'am, just now I joined, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, okay. What
Okay.
about you, Ragini? Have you created the student registration form? Yeah, okay. Yeah, Ashwant, have you created the registration form, which I have told yesterday? Ashwant, are you there?
Hello, madam.
Yeah, have you created the registration form?
No, yes, ma'am. But right now I'm outside. I don't have my laptop now.
Yeah, okay. You're taking the class from outside through your phone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. You have already created student registration form, right?
Ma'am.
Yeah, okay, okay. So please raise your hand so that I can know how many of you created and doing the task and all right. So please raise your hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What about the remaining people? There are 22 members in the meet. If I'm excluded, there are 21 members. What about the remaining people? 13 members only reacted for the what I have asked. See, every time I'm saying you that if you have practiced the tasks which I have given, then only you will came to know how to create a project and all. So you must and should make sure that you have to practice everything which I'm giving. So now let us start today's class. So I have told you earlier, right, what is semantic tags and all. Now let us see how those semantic tags are used and what are the tags used for displaying the video and audio and all. So with this session, the HTML part will be completed and we are going to discuss about the CSS in the next class. So you guys be well prepared about the HTML, which I have taught you. There might be an exam on the HTML. Okay. So let me start the session today. So now we are going to discuss about the semantic HTML tags. See, I have mentioned right what is a semantic in the sense which gives a proper meaning. See, the screen is visible. Anyone can unmute and say, please.
Yes, ma'am. It is visible.
Yeah, okay. So the semantic tag in the sense using the tags that clearly describes the purpose of content. In the sense, if we have opened the code, then it should be described the purpose of that content, right? If we are taking the header tag, then it is projecting the meaning, right? It should be in a website header part, so that we can get idea about by seeing the code itself. So which are going to describe the purpose and content, those tags are called as semantic HTML tags. Now, why we are going to use this semantic HTML tags in the sense more readability, like I've said right now, right? So the readability will be easy. Like if we are going to see the code itself, we can say which part of the website is it going to be displayed. So it will be more readable and it will be meaningful also, so that we can see the header and it will be assigned to the website of the header. And also SEO friendly in the sense like search engines friendly, like if we are going to give the header, footer, and the main and section and article and all, then the search engines can easily know which part of the web page is this. So they can understand the web page better when we are going to use the semantic tags. And also easy for developers to handle that tags with the semantic. So let us see some of the tags of semantic. The header tag, as I said, it will be in the top of the web page. We are going to use for mentioning the titles or logos. If we are creating a college website, then we are going to mention the college logo as an image in the header part. So like that. Or if we are going to create a website for a company, then we are going to mention the header as a website logo or website title. So the introduction part and all will be given on the header section. And the navigation in the sense, if we want to navigate within the web page, then we are going to use this navigation tag. And we mention the links and menu parts which are going to be there in that website, so that it will be easy to navigate from one session to another session in one page only. So the session part, section tag in the sense, use it to divide web page into sections. Like if you have seen a web page in your daily life, it will be like a this part, like from here, it will be a navigation, like a file manager in the VS Code. See, this is the file manager, right? In a web page, it will be a pages. There will be about, home, and the options and all. They will be displayed the options and all. Then if we are going to click, it will be navigate to another page. So that is a one section, and it will be a header section here. So this will be a header section which is mentioning the logo and title of that specific company and all. And the middle part will be a welcome message, like a main text and all. So if we are going to display that and all, if we are going to divide the web page, then it will look beautiful and meaningful too. And also search engines can access easily the websites and can understand. So, for example, there will be a about page, like about us, about session, and welcome to our website. So, we are going to divide the sections, the website is going to be divided as a sections. So, next. See, in the web pages you have seen, right? Like there will be a one about us page, like about us section, the services section, and contact section. So these are all sections divided using the section tag. And why we use this article tag in the sense to represent the independent content. See, if you are going to represent any independent content, like uh, it will be like a posts and all. It will be like a news articles or a tutorials. If you are going to like a divide this content, it will be like a independent. You are going to see in YouTube, right? The videos and all one section, and the playlist and all one section. So likewise, if you want to independently make a content, then it will be an article tag, using an article tag. And the footer tag, I think so you have already observed this footer section in many websites, I think so. So in the usually in this footer section there will be a copyright, line, and also there will be a contact also about, like, if the website is about a company, the company contact will be there and company copyright will be there. And if it is going to be any college website, then the company, like, college contact will be there and college copyright will be there. So like that, here we use footer section for contact purpose and social media links. If we want to give any external links like emails, contact purposes, anything, we mention in the footer itself. Like basic semantic layout, how we'll lay out this semantic tags, let's see first. So the header section will be in the top of the website, so we have to mention that forward itself. So I have mentioned a header like a website name. So instead of showing this, I'll show the code. So let me skip this. Now let us see how the audio tag will be used. So that I think so. You have listened about these and all, right? Semantic tags and all. Everyone will teach about that. But here I'm going to teach you video and audio tags, which you don't know up to now. I think so. Few of may know, but most of the people don't know about audio tag and video tag and how to use them. So here, use it to add. Why we use audio tag in the sense? Use it to add audio. Like audio, like means we are going to record anything, right? So for displaying that and all, we are using audio tag. And for songs and all, like if I want to mention a song, if you are going to search in a website, live websites like Chrome, if I'm going to search in a Chrome, like I need a songs website, right? Then I'll get a website, whatever the website might be. So there will be a playlist, right? Songs and all. How these songs are will be going to be played in the website and all. So we are going to use this audio tags for displaying the songs and audios in the web pages or websites. So how we have to use this audio tag in the sense here, our opening angular brace and closing angular brace, we have to use the audio keyword and controllers keyword. Here, let me explain why we use audio and why we use control. So here, the audio is used for audio player. We are saying that we are giving an audio input to this audio. Like the server must know what is which data going to be handled. So here the audio in the sense it will represents, we are going to give the audio player. And here the controller. Here the controller in the sense it shows the buttons, like we are going to see in our daily life, right? There will be a pause buttons, play buttons and all. So here it will controls that buttons. This keyword is used for that. So we have to write like a audio and controllers, and we have to close the angular brace. And we need to mention, like for image tag, we are going to mention source attribute, right? Where should be that image get? So like that only here we are going to mention the source. So, for the sake of mentioning, for the sake of getting that specific file, where we have to get that specific file from. So here in song.mp3, my file is there. So it is getting, and type. We can mention what type of audio we are going to give, right? It is a audio and it is a mp3 audio. So I'm going to mention the type of that audio, and we have to close that audio tag. So this is the usage of this audio tag, and it will display the audio. And next, let's see the video. Why we are going to use this video tag. So it is used to display the videos and all. So now we are going to use YouTube, right? How these and all displaying many videos using this tag only, video tag. So these are going to display, use it to display the videos. So the syntax must be as I have mentioned here. So there should be a opening angular brace, and that should be video keyword and controllers. As I said, no, why we are going to use this controllers in the sense So like pause, like we have to resume that video, or we have to on that video, that buttons, play buttons and all, stop buttons and all, to show those and all, we are going to use this controllers. And width, we have to mention the video width, right? So that if we are not going to mention the video width, it will takes the default size. So if we have mentioned, it will takes as we have required. And the source, in the sense, we have to mention where it is located and where to get from. So it will get from that location, and we are going to give video, right? So we have to, here you have observed, right? For audio, the type attribute is audio slash MP3, because the type is audio type. Here the type is video type. So we are giving the video, like whatever the type of video, it means MP4. So we are giving that type. So we have to close the video tag. So these are paid tags. We have to open the tag and we have to close the tag. This is the proper syntax of audio and video tags. So let me know, have you all understood about this audio and video part and semantic tags too? Yeah, please respond. Yeah, okay. There are 24 members. I have to know everyone response. Everyone should make a text in the message box. Yeah, what about remaining? Have you understood or not? Okay, let me call the names and all so that you will respond. Yeah, just mention yes in the message box so that I can know your guys are understanding and you're there in the class. Or else, if you are unable to understand, let me know that. Just mention in the chat box, ma'am, I'm unable to understand in the so and so topic. Yeah, what about you, Balaji? Have you understood the class? You can unmute yourself and answer me, or else message me. Yeah, Balaji, are you there? Or else you just put on the class and went somewhere. See, if you're going to not respond, yeah, okay. You have understood, right? Okay. Yeah, okay. Let me show the execution of this part. So see here, I have mentioned all the tags which I have explained today. So first semantic tags, right? First here it is the header section. See here, head part is different. Header tag is different. Head tag is used to display the content, sorry, title of the web page and also meta part of the that website. Here the header section is going to display the top of the web page. See, it will be appear in the web page. It won't be appear in the web page. So that is the difference between the head tag and header tag. Both are different. So you have to know that. So here I have mentioned the header part as a my company website and paragraph welcome to our official website. And here I need a navigation parts, right? Navigation buttons. One is home and the other is about and the other is services and the other is contact. So these are the sections to navigate in this web page. So here I haven't give any source link to these and all. I have just given empty link. So if I have clicked on this, they won't be navigate. So don't get confused. Here I have created for only your explanation purpose. If you want, you can mention the links. You can create the another pages and you can mention the links here. Then it will be navigate to that specific section. And the section in the sense it will divide the web page into sections as I have told you, right? One is about us section and the another section is our courses. See, about us in the sense it will be total introduction part of the specific like company or specific college. And the another section is our courses. What are the courses we are going to provide you? So to divide the web page into different sections, we are going to use the section tag. And HR in the sense to show the difference, I have created a HR here. So this is the section part, this is the article part. So here the HR tag used to display a horizontal line in the web page. So you get the difference, right? So here the article tag. Article tag is, I have told you, right? To create a independent content, we are going to use this article tag. So here I have given a heading latest news, and this news will create an independent like content. And the audio tag I have mentioned, right? So we have to use like this. Carefully observe the practical syntax of this. How I have used this as like tag, audio tag. First, I have opened the audio tag and mentioned a controls keyword here, and I have given a source part. So song.mp3. So here I don't have any songs in my folder. I have just mentioned song.mp3. If you want listen that practically, then mention that song or video in your specific folder and give that path here and give the type of that specific audio, like it's an MP3, what is that? And here I have given a message. Your browser does not support audio. It's a warning message, right? And the next is HR. I have given a HR means for a horizontal line. And this is the video part. See how I'm going to execute this video tag. See, I have mentioned controllers here and I have mentioned the proper width for that video. And this is the video path where this video is located. So here I haven't mentioned video also. If you want, you can mention that video in your specific folder where you are going to working and then mention that video and that path. So the next I'll mention here footer, which display in the bottom of the web page. See, I have mentioned the footer like a paragraph so that it will display 2025 my company website. So in the 2025 it is going to display and my contact details also. So my company at the rate gmail.com, so that if any user you want to contact me, they can contact me by seeing this footer and all. So this will be displayed at the footer part. So let me execute this so you guys can see the output. See, this is the output. As I have mentioned HR, right, for every session. So this is the horizontal line which divides the each session and all. So this is the header section and this is the like a navigation section. This is the section part, these two. See, first it divides about section into one and the our courses section is another session. And this latest session is articles. Here you don't get the more difference because there is no CSS is not used, right? So it not like more beautiful. So while you are going to implement the CSS, it will be beautiful and it will be in a proper structure. So no need to worry. I will show how to use this and all with CSS too. So this is the audio file. Here I haven't mentioned any audio file, right? So it is not going to play because I haven't mentioned any audio file. It is just showing how to print the audio and all. So here I have given controllers, right? So the play button is also shown. And here the playback speed. How much playback speed I want to listen. So those are all. This is the video section. I have mentioned the width, right? That is 400 pixels. So it is up to 400 pixels only. If you want more, then you can add. So this is the footer part, which I have mentioned for the contact purpose, which will be displayed at the bottom. So let me show my project for you so that you will get a clarity about it, how the footer will be and how the header will be. See, this is a project I have done. So just observe the things I'm going to mention here. This is the header part. I have mentioned an image, right? And let us see how the footer is there. See here, I have mentioned advanced Java. So this is the footer. If you want, you can mention your contact details. So this will be the difference. Here, this is the header part and this is the footer part and this will be the body of the website. If you want, you can segregate this into the sections and this is the like a menu. You can segregate into the menu. So like this, you're going to create a website using the semantic tags. I think you guys all clear about it. Yeah, have you all understood about the execution of this semantic tags, audio, video? See, now use these tags and write a code. This is the task for you today. Not all the semantic tags, just you use audio and video files. If you have any audio videos, mention in your folder and use them. I'll give 10 minutes time for you. Use the audio and video tags. Sorry guys, there is a network issue here. So please make the task first. So everyone is doing the task. Let me know. Yeah, okay. Any one of you please share the screen? Yeah, Tanuja, why can't you share your screen? Please share your screen and write the code so that everyone can see. Yeah, okay. Take your own time. Or else, if you want to execute semantic tags, you can. About this total HTML. So there will be an exam on the HTML part. It might be on Saturday or else before only. So be prepared. Whenever it will be, you have to be prepared. Not only the tags I have told you, just search in the browser for new tags and all and practice them too. If you want the more content, then you can browse and more tags and you can know them. So I have told you the important tags which are needed for creation of the website. So if you want to know more, then you can search on the browser because there won't be more time, right? We want to teach about the total web development course. So you have to work too. Yeah, Tanuja, it's visible. You can continue. Tanuja, are you there? Yeah, screen is sharing. You have to show the code. Yeah, Tanuja, make it fast. After the completion of your execution, I'm going to ask another people. Or else, let me ask Ananya. Tanuja? Yeah, okay, okay, it's okay. Yeah, Ananya, will you please share
Yes,
your
ma'am.
screen? Will you please share your screen and show the execution? Yeah, okay. Have you mentioned a video and audio files in your folder?
Ma'am, I haven't not mentioned, ma'am. I should create a folder, ma'am. In my folder, no audio and videos.
Okay, don't you have any audio video files in your local host?
No, ma'am. I have searched down now, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, it's okay. Just execute that code.
Okay.
So after completion of this session, you guys please make download of anything, any audio or any video, and mention those things in your folder and execute with that part so that you can know is it playing or not, is that working
Okay.
or not.
Okay, ma'am. I'll
Yeah,
try.
everyone should do this. Yeah, please execute that code.
Executed, ma'am.
Yeah, open with now.
Is it visible, ma'am?
No, the output is not visible.
One second, ma'am.
See, or else go to the file manager and execute that if you are unable to execute with live server.
Ma'am, it's
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Is it visible? Yeah, it is visible. Yeah, see, this is the output of that audio and video files. You have to mention the syntax properly and you have to mention the controllers. Don't
yes.
mention the audio keyword only. You all have to mention the controllers so that the play buttons will be displayed. Okay, are you clear about this? Yeah, okay, thank you, Ananya. We can stop this screen share.
Okay, ma'am.
Let me ask another one. Yeah, Ragini. Please, you can unmute. You can unmute. See, while you are going to please maintain the proper spacing so that you can understand. See, in a header session, you have mentioned opening tag and the closing tag will be move forwarded, right? So that it will be and the video tag will be under the header. It's looking like that. It's not looking good, right? So if you mention if you remove that spacing, which is down the opening tag, it will be look good and it will be good practice to you too. So for the developers, it will be easily understand that. So this is the header session, not like that. So maintain proper format and spacing while you're writing the code. It might be whatever the programming language. Yeah, Tanuja, please execute that. If you're okay with the code, please execute that. Or else if you need, if you want to mention the semantic tags and all, you can mention. Yeah, is Ragini there? I have called her. She haven't gave any response to me. Yeah, see here, Tanuja have mentioned the a video and gave the path the for that specific video, and it is visible clearly. That is, the video is playing. Okay, we cannot listen that audio of that video because it is screen share, right? We are unable to listen that. So just observe the video is playing and the tag is working and all. So thank you for the output, Tanuja. You can stop screen sharing. See, I'm mentioning that who are going to respond to me clearly and well, and who are practicing well, they only will get the merit internship certificate. Okay, the attendance also mandatory for the creation of your certificates and you have to respond. The attendance is going to be noted for every day. Please tell this to your friends because there are many people register for this web development class and few are attending. So you have to say them this is the attendance will be mandatory for this course. Okay. So I hope everyone understood the session today. From today onwards, the HTML completed, and in the next class, we are going to start the CSS session. So, Ragini, you have shared the screen. You want to show the output? Yeah, okay. You have worked on the video and audio and footer tag too. Okay, you have got the output. So you have understood the class, right? Okay, thank you for the response. We can stop the screen. Yeah, guys, let me know have you understand the class. Once again, I'm asking if you are having any doubts, please Text me in the message box. Yeah, okay. What about the remaining people? Yeah, okay, okay. Okay. Yo, shall we wind up this session today? Hope you guys understood the class well. So we can wind up this session. So you guys can exit from the meet.